Hey yo. So when you launch Firebot, it's not automatically connected to your OBS and to Twitch and StreamLabs and all that stuff, as you can see right here. Right. So instead of having to manually toggle that on every time, what you can do is create an event. So let's say new event, and it should be called Firebot started. So when the trigger on Firebot started, and then we're going to add a new effect to this event, and we're going to, I think it's under connections, toggle connection. There you go. We're actually going to pick custom connections and then select Twitch connect. And I've got StreamLabs, so I'm going to choose connect there as well. And then add. You don't have to set a queue. You don't have to change any of these other settings. Just click save, right? So I'm going to manually toggle off my connection there, and I'm going to close Firebot. And then when I relaunch Firebot, boom, automatically connected. I didn't have to do anything. You don't have to manually click it every time to connect it. So I hope you find that useful. Good luck, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.